What's going on, guys? This is Chumley 105 here, and we have the returning 400EX. It's been on the shelf here for about a month. Had an electrical issue on it, but she is ready and raring to go. So we're going to get some ride footage in today.
So as I stated in the intro, the 400EX has been down for quite a bit. This is the first time I've actually had to ride it in like a month. Missed this thing pretty good. Too bad it's a clapped out mess though. So it seems to be running pretty good still for being laid up for a month. Doesn't seem like it's missed a beat. That stage 2 hot cam really makes this thing a beast. Which I know it ain't no 450R or nothing like that. But for reliability factor and whatnot, these things are amazing. 400EX brand from Honda, you know, I'd give it a 4 out of 5 stars. Would buy again, but probably not a clapped out one. One with reverse is definitely a nice add-on to have. These older styles are nice, but definitely a reverse is a great thing to have. I'm muddy now. Do the old hill climb. Got a stick. Got some goats. Another goat. So anybody that knows me personally knows there's a joke in there somewhere. Because that's evidently a thing. Definitely best just not to ask on that. That's best not seen for YouTube. Nobody wants to hear the story about the goat. It's not even really a story. It's just a made-up thing. I'm done muddy. It doesn't really matter at this point, I don't think. Shoot. Shoot. So we was down here a couple months ago and all this was ice. It's kind of sketchy riding on a bike on ice. I don't know those out there who actually ride dirt bikes out of my subscribers or you visitors out there, if any of you guys ride dirt bikes, but when you're on ice and you're on two wheels, it's slick. You know, even on four wheels it's slick, but you got to have balance. So I'm probably as clear as muddy water on that, unless you've ever done it, but it's not a situation you want to be in. Man, it's kind of deep. The other creek crossing. Try to. Whew. From what I understand, that over there is pretty deep. For a nice slow turn. You know, East Tennessee is a very beautiful place. There's just no place that kind of compares to it. That's why I'm proud to be where I'm from. If you've never been here before, to East Tennessee, you really need to make a planned trip to visit us. Got some prime time riding spots. Got plenty of places. In fact, I'm gonna plan on doing some trips before long. We'll try to see some more of the states. You know, see if we can go ride some places. You know, if any of our viewers out there from not from the South or from the South and live in different states, I'd like to know some good riding spots. I'd definitely like to make some plans. Hatfield McCoy's is one on my list too I need to knock out. Haven't got to ride it yet. muddy on that side. Be nice if somebody fixed the road, but heck, who needs a groomed road anyways? Shoot. I think I say shoe every time I get hit with water or mud. Curse having no fenders. Got some trees down. I think I had a sketchy time last time I went up through here. Looks the best way around because I got a tree up here. And this is probably not a good idea. What is the best way around that? I don't know how big these trees are. No, not a good idea. So running over is not an option. It's probably a pretty dumb idea. I might be able to make it through in between that tree there.
What are you doing?
Ripped my clutch. Oh gosh. Well, that's obviously not going to happen. You know what? I think this was a dumb idea. Try to go around the other way. Ooh. There we go. That's a good thing. Well, shoot. Where we at? Here we go. Don't know if you can tell, but I'm locking my brakes up right now. Or trying to. Kind of goes back to the clapped out thing again. But I got good brake force on my brakes right now. And we're just keep on sliding. So, can I or can I not roll over this? Man, that's dead. Why didn't I just go over that? Bunch of bull. There's the rain. So I think I'm going to risk it and just try to make it home before it starts pouring. like in the days of my youth I used to love. Oh, that's not good. But anyway, back to the days of my youth. I used to love riding in the rain. And I am getting soaked. Maybe sucking crap through my airbox. Or not my airbox, but my carburetor. There goes that clutch slippage. Ow, 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 ow.
So current situation, it's pouring the rain and there's like lightning going through the sky. So I think I made a good choice and perfect timing on getting home. So today, that's what we're gonna finish our video off with. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, of course, like always. Give some comments, you know. I know where to go from here, possibly. Stuff y'all may want to see in the future. All right, like always, thanks for watching and we'll see you later.